Final video to fix the system restore is initializing loop in Windows. And if your PC is stuck on that screen and won't move forward, stay with me because I'll show you every simple solution that actually works. I'm from Rexicht, and I know how stressful it feels when your computer refuses to restore. Are you also facing this issue? The system restore loop usually happens when a restore point is corrupted, Windows can't access system files, or a driver is blocking the restore process. Most guides online make this sound complicated, but the real fixes are simple. When this happened to me, one easy trick broke the loop instantly. First, wait at least 20 to 30 minutes. System restore can take longer than expected, and many people think it's stuck when it's still working. If it still doesn't move, force restart your PC by holding the power button. Windows will boot into recovery mode automatically. Next, choose Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options, and run Startup Repair. This fixes the boot files that often freeze System Restore. If the loop continues, select System Restore again, but choose a different restore point. Your previous one might be corrupted. You should also open Command Prompt from recovery mode and run SFC and DISM to repair your system files. Corrupted files cause the restore to freeze.